Dear friend. Hello, how are you? I know it has been a while since the last time we talked. I miss you, and I hope you're doing well during these times. Life for me lately hasn't been the easiest. The last time we spoke was in March or April, I believe. Wow, time flies. I don't even know where to begin. All of my days have blended together, which I'm sure you're experiencing as well. And I've honestly lost track of time. Since we last spoke, my boyfriend lost his job, which was a huge shock for the both of us. A lot of people I know have lost their jobs, and it's been hard to know what to do. We've been able to spend a lot of quality time together, which I think has allowed our relationship to grow in ways we didn't expect. He's been such a big support in my life, and I'm so happy he's going through these challenging times with me. To be honest, the isolation has really gotten to me, and it's been easier just to hide away and get lost in video games, TV shows, you name it, so I don't have to deal with my anxiety and depression. But despite all that, at the beginning of June, the most amazing thing happened. We rescued another kitten. Say hello to Leo. He was 2 months old when we adopted him in the beginning of June. I knew I wanted to add another member to the family, and I had been looking a lot since the start of quarantine. It all just fell into place when it did, and I'm so happy. Arlo is a great big brother, and Luna is a great big sister to both of the boys. They all keep me busy, that's for sure, and I'm glad I have my fur babies, and they are all a part of this family. Sadly, makeup and YouTube has taken a backseat during all of this, and I'm sad about it. I've lost my passion for makeup. I haven't worn it in over 3 months, which is the longest I've ever gone without wearing makeup. I have this unrealistic vision for how my YouTube channel should be, and because I can't reach that level of perfection, I just gave up. I haven't felt good enough as a person to come back to YouTube, and I'm sad and frustrated about that. I've worked so hard on my mental health, and I feel like all of the hard work I've done has just gone down the drain. Even though I haven't been playing with makeup, I found the passion to play with my hair again. I've been messing with my hair color a lot. I have 2 different colors in my hair now, and I rock space buns almost every day. It's been my new look, and I love that. I want that passion I have for playing with my hair color to come back to makeup. I don't know what is wrong with me and why I'm so afraid, but I need to not be so scared anymore and just face my fears and come back. Adjusting to this new normal has been really hard to get used to. I was slowly becoming more social again, and I was looking forward to all of the trips I had planned this year. God had different plans for the world, and I found peace with how things have been. Like so many others, I've realized how much time I spent on social media, wasting my life away, sitting inside all day, feeling sorry for myself, scrolling through Instagram, spending meaningless hours doing nothing productive, when I could have been enjoying the life God had given me right now in this moment. Because of the new restrictions, I've rekindled the joy in old activities I had when I was younger. I've been exploring the outdoors more, taking long walks with my boyfriend, and seeing the city I live in a new way. I can't remember the last time I've been outside soaking in the fresh air and beautiful sunshine like this. I'm thankful that I've been able to swim a lot this summer too. I can't remember the last time I've had a tan. It's been, I think, over 8 years. The vitamin D that comes from the sun has helped my mood so much more than you could understand. You have been such a great friend since the beginning, and I want to see you again. I hope since writing to you, you will understand a little bit more where I've been and what I'm struggling with. This is the first step, and I hope to be with you again soon. With love, Shweihninzy.